Your dashboard isn't just dusty and dirty. UV rays are slowly destroying it every single day. I'm about to show you the easiest and quickest way to clean and keep it looking brand new while preventing cracking and fading forever. You'll need water in a spray bottle, Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant, a Detail Factory Synthetic large detailing brush, and 3 microfiber cloths. That's it. This fast 2-in-1 method cleans and protects. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description down below. Also, be sure to do this in the shade. Spray a clean, plush microfiber towel with water outside of the car to prevent making a mess from overspray inside the car. Wipe your complete dashboard and vents to remove the loose dust and dirt. Where possible, get into the nooks and crannies. Now here's the key. Spray the Chemical Guy's Cleaner and Protectant into your Detail Factory Synthetic large detailing brush, never directly onto the dashboard. Ideally, do this outside of the car. This prevents overspray into electronics and onto the glass. Using a circular motion, agitate and brush every area of the dashboard, especially sections with ridges, valleys, or a pebble texture. Brush into and around those vents. You'll need to load up that brush with the cleaner protectant often. Be sure to get all parts of the dashboard, including the sides and right to the base of the windshield. But don't do that GPS screen yet. We'll be dealing with that a little bit later in this video. Do the dashboard in sections. First the passenger side because it's easier, and then the driver's side. Stick over the instruments is easily scratched, so be sure you're just cleaning it with this microfiber towel that's dampened with water. Nothing else is going onto that surface whatsoever. Be sure to clean and protect the lower portions of the dashboard and the front of the glove box. Lightly spray the Chemical Guy's Cleaner onto another clean, but now slightly damp microfiber towel. Wipe in straight lines across the GPS or LCD display. Then wipe away any residual from the screen with a totally dry portion of the microfiber towel. Spray more cleaner onto the damp towel and work section by section over the dashboard between the top, front, and vents. The 2-in-1 formula means you're cleaning and protecting plastic, vinyl, leather, alcantara, cloth, glass, piano black surfaces, you name it, all in one step. So much easier than using separate products. The Chemical Guy's formula lifts away invisible buildup while laying down UV protection. Look at that, it's already looking richer and deeper. Be sure to finish the driver's side too, removing the excess product and all the dust and dirt. Grab your last clean, plush, polishing microfiber cloth and buff everything to a perfect finish. This removes any excess product from the base of the windshield and over the whole dashboard and gives you that factory fresh look. Wipe back and forth and with circular motions. You're not trying to scrub, just polish. This step makes all the difference between looking clean and looking amazing. That driver's side needs more love too. Wow, look at this transformation. It's not just cleaner, it's protected. This invisible barrier will prevent UV damage, cracking, and fading for months. Then, just do it all again. Your dashboard will keep looking like this instead of becoming cracked and gray. A couple minutes of work, months of protection. Love the step-by-step guide? Smash that like button. Now, did you know that 90% of my viewers haven't subscribed yet? If that's you, subscribe for more easy car care tutorials. Be sure to click here for a quick and easy way to clean the inside of your windshield, and I'll see you there.